Hi guys! Welcome and welcome back sa ating channel. So in this video ay titingnan na naman natin ang isang lending application na bagong-bagong application sa Google Play Store, and sila daw ay nagpapautang up to 50,000 pesos. But before we go on guys, sa mga hindi pa nag-subscribe, mag-subscribe na, i-hit ang bell button para ma-update kayo sa upcoming videos and tutorials, and of course mag-comment sa baba para mapabilang kayo sa mga upcoming na pag-giveaways natin. Alright, so welcome and welcome back sa ating channel. So in this video guys is titingnan natin ng isang bagong application na naman sa Google Play Store, and ayon sa kanilang application guys, nagpapautang sila up to 50,000 pesos. Ayan, installment payment up to 210 days. So wag muna kayong maniniwala, wag muna kayong mag-download guys, panoorin hanggang matapos ang video ito. Ayan, so sabi dito, only one ID is required. Fast approval, withdraw immediately, and flexible withdrawals. Ayan. So, ang lending application na ito ay si Motorcycle Loan Quick Cash Loan. So, baka ang loan application na ito guys is for loan ng mga motor. Ayan. Motorcycle Loan Quick Cash Loan. And powered by Asia Source Financial Incorporated. And meron silang 4.8 stars and 22,000 reviews. So, medyo madami-dami na rin ang nag-process ng loan dito. Ayan. So, download na natin siya. And of course, upon downloading guys, permit tayo sa kanila or bigyan natin sila ng permission sa ating camera, SMS, ayan, app use information, mobile phone location permission. Ayan. So, click natin yung confirm, but before that guys is click muna natin yung maliit na box sa baba. I have read and agreed policy. Ayan. Kung gusto nyo basahin yung policy nila, just click yung policy, but if not, panoorin nyo muna ang video ito para makita nyo, para wag muna tayong mag-download guys. Okay? So, after which guys is ito na siya. So, your loan amount, ayan. So, makikita nyo sa screenshot. Ayan. So, your loan amount is 2,000 to 50,000 pesos, and loan term 91 to 210 days. So, alam niyo ba guys na yung yung dashboard niya is may kagaya siya, parang kagaya ng isang lending application. Ayan. But by the way, iba naman yung may-ari ng or iba yung company ng loan application na ito. So let's push through. Click natin yung apply now. Ayan. So upon clicking that one, maghihingi sila ng phone number and mag-create tayo ng password. Kung first timer user is click natin yung register, pero pag may account is maglalagin na lang. Pero for me as a first timer, register na lang. And then here mag-create tayo ng account. So maglalagay tayo ng phone number kasi maghihingi or magsisend sila ng OTP. Ayan. And then babalik tayo sa dashboard niya. And then here ay sabi dito, in order to speed up the review process and improve your application success rate, please your authorized package use status proceed follows. So, bibigyan natin ng permission. So, pupunta siya sa my settings natin, and then open natin yung parang permission, ganun ng mga information or ng application. Click natin yun guys, and then babalik tayo sa application na ito guys. Ayan. So after which guys, hihingi sila ng basic information like yung number of credit cards, email, ayan. So Facebook, Viber phone, and backup phone. Optional yun guys. So for me na lang is pass na lang yun guys. And then marital status, educational background. Pero yung background nila wrong spelling. So wrong spelling, wrong. Charing. So after which guys is yung job information na. So industry category, company name, working experience, payday 1, payday 2, monthly income, company address, and detail address. Ayan. Pero pag ilalagay mo guys, yung na self-employed ka, hindi natatanungin yung mga information na yun. Sa mga may work lang like nag-office, ganyan. And then after which guys, next step na is yung ating address. So maglalagay tayo ng residence, address, kung rent o own, ganyan. And then detail address, and then push through na natin sa next step. Ayan. So sila ay nangangailangan lamang sila lang. Yan. dalawa lang na contact references, 'di ba? Dalawa lang siya, guys. So name, relation, phone number, and then next na natin, so yung mga pa-ID na. So dito na natin malalaman, guys, yung isang sikreto ng loan application na ito. So type of document to submit. Yung mga ID, guys, yung mga pa-ID. So, UMID, passport, driver's license, SSS, PRC, postal, national ID, and national ID na electronic. Yung parang soft copy, ganyan. Yung hindi laminated. And then, ako, guys, pinili ko na lang yung UMID kasi ngayon po ang aking ginagamit talaga ay ito na. So, front photo of ID card, and then facial recognition. Magkasunod yun, guys. And then, document number, first name, middle name, last name, gender. Ayan. So, dito na nagka-problema, guys. Ayan. So, shout out sa motorcycle loan application. Ayan. Medyo may sablay po ang application kasi nga po nagka-problema tayo, mga inday. Pan-clicking yung front photo, pinicturan ko yung ID ko, and then after which, guys, is pa-selfie, and then yung mga information, nilagyan ko lahat. And then when I click the next step, guys, or submit, ganyan, is wala pong nakalagay dun sa front photo. So, paulit-ulit lang po yun, guys, na ginawa ko. And hindi po talaga siya nagpo-push through, guys. So, pabalik-balik lang na picture ng ID, and then selfie, picture. Ano yon? Kinuha niyo lang mga information ko. Halers. So, hopefully na meron pang i-improve ang loan application na ito. Kasi, as you can see sa aking screenshot, guys, ayan. So, yung basic information lang ang may check. And then, yung identity authentication is wala pa. And yung withdrawal method is wala pa. So, na-stuck lang tayo sa basic information. Ayan. So, hindi pa natin nakita kung talaga nga bang may papautang ang lending application na ito o wala, guys. Ayan. So, na-stuck nga tayo. So, hindi ko na lang pinush through. And hopefully na hindi sana tayo magkakaproblema sa loan application na ito. So, that's it. And for me is hindi ko siya nire-recommend sa inyo si motorcycle loan. Ayan. Kasi nga, hindi pa natin nakita and yun nga may problema ang system nila. So, that's it my video. And sa mga nakasubok na dyan kay motorcycle loan, kasi nga mas madami-dami naman ang nagsubok or sumubok sa loan application na ito, please comment down below kung okay ba sa inyo or hindi. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye!